In Corel Draw, set the contour line width as 0.001 mm. Go to Print under File. Go to the Layout page and select bottom left corner and reposition images to. Attach the magnetic sheet to a piece of adhesive film. Make sure that you place the magnetic sheet with the magnetic side facing up so that it will not stick to the button. Load the media. Click Print. GCC Cutting Plotter is cutting the magnetic sheet. Remove the cut patterns and assemble them. Completed sample.